How to see who screenshotted your Snapchat story. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. It is a quick and easy process. Launch a Snapchat application. Make sure that you are logged in. Then select on your beat emoji option at the very top in the left hand side. There you will see your story and there is one screenshot as you can see. To check who screenshotted your Snapchat story, it is pretty simple. Tap open your story and swipe up. Right next to your username, you will see an icon like this. That is the screenshotted icon. And that is how you can know who has screenshotted your Snapchat story. It is a quick process. However, if you face any of the bug or glitch issue, follow this next step. Tap on the setting icon at the top and scroll down to the very bottom. Here you should find the option of clear cache, so go ahead and tap on it, then tap on continue. You can exit from this application and press and hold on to it and head to app info. Force stop it, tap on OK and head to storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. This will help with the bug and glitch issues. Open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Snapchat in the search bar. Now in here we'll be searching for any update regarding the application. If there is any, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it later. And that is how you'll be able to fix any bug issue and you'll be able to see who screenshotted your Snapchat story. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.